Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off auto emoji on Discord. So guys, at first go to your browser, then tap on the search bar and search Discord. Tap on Discord. Now tap on the three dot icon in the right side of corner. Now select desktop site. Now tap on open Discord. And guys, make sure that you have to log in your account. Now tap on this settings icon. Now tap on here text and image. And guys, you have to just turn off this option. And that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.